Okay, as we have seen from the class that if we apply some sort of assumptions, then we can even use equations to solve for deflections in displacements instead of matrices. So that is also true for frame structures, 2D frame structures. So what we can do is, when we are assuming that there is no axial deformation or axial deformation is negligible, then we can also easily figure out the displacements using the equations instead of matrices. Well, the equations are actually the direct formulations of the matrices, so in a sense we're not actually escaping the matrices. Anyway, so to do that you need to remember these diagrams very thoroughly. So for let's take a look at the first one. Let's say that this is point A and this is point B. So if there is a displacement due to force, in this case this is vertical displacement, this is what the diagram would look like, and the red line would have been the original position of the diagram. There you go. So this is what it would look like. Okay, I cursor around it like that. There you go. This is what it would look like. So you need to memorize that. Now, if there was a displacement instead of A point at B point, this is what it would look like. You can see that this is something the same as the one at the top, just reverse. Okay. Now, if there was a displacement due to a rotation at point A, then this is what the diagram would have looked like. There you go. This would be red mark was the beforehand, and then this is the displacement. Okay, similarly, instead of A point, if it would have happened at B point, this is what we would have got. Okay, so these diagrams are the things that you need to memorize, and the forces on the diagrams are a must as well, because the forces are there. See, the S2 force, the S1, the S1, the S2, how they're the orientation of the forces at which location, in which case. You need to memorize all of these, and we're going to be applying this to formulate the equation method. So if you don't want to go into the hassle of memorizing diagrams and stuff, you can always stick with the metrics method. So this was the quick overview. Up next, we're going to be solving a problem to see how the equation method actually works. Okay, so that was it for this video. Thank you very much for watching.